What role does family play in healthcare decisions in Hindu culture? In Hindu culture, family plays a pivotal role in healthcare decisions, reflecting the broader values of interconnectedness, duty, and collective well-being that are central to Hindu philosophy. The influence of family in healthcare decisions manifests in several key areas. Collective decision-making. Healthcare decisions are often made collectively rather than individually, with family members participating in discussions about treatment options, care plans, and even day-to-day management of health conditions. This collective approach is rooted in the concept of dharma, which emphasizes the moral and ethical duties of individuals towards their family. Decisions are thus made in a manner that considers the welfare of the whole family unit, not just the individual patient. Emotional and practical support. Family members provide essential emotional support to individuals facing health challenges, offering comfort, encouragement, and companionship. This support can significantly influence the patient's emotional well-being and resilience. Additionally, families often take on practical responsibilities, such as accompanying patients to medical appointments, administering medications, and managing financial aspects of healthcare. Intermediary with healthcare providers. In many Hindu families, one or more family members may act as intermediaries between the patient and healthcare providers. They may help communicate the patient's needs, preferences, and values to medical professionals and relay medical information back to the patient and other family members. This role is particularly crucial when dealing with language barriers or when navigating complex healthcare systems. Preservation of cultural and religious values. Family members help ensure that healthcare decisions align with the patient's cultural and religious values. This may include advocating for dietary preferences, like vegetarianism, arranging for religious rituals, or requesting the presence of spiritual advisors. Such considerations are vital for the patient's holistic well-being, encompassing physical, emotional, and spiritual health. End-of-life care. In Hindu culture, the family's role becomes even more pronounced during end-of-life care. Families often prefer to care for terminally ill relatives at home, surrounded by loved ones. They may seek to perform specific religious rites to ensure a peaceful transition and fulfill spiritual obligations. Discussions about palliative care, life-prolonging treatments, and other end-of-life decisions are deeply influenced by family consensus, reflecting shared beliefs about karma, reincarnation, and the sanctity of life. Navigating modernity and tradition. As Hindu communities navigate the complexities of modern healthcare, the traditional role of the family evolves. While the importance of family in healthcare decisions remains strong, there is also a growing recognition of the individual's autonomy and rights. Balancing respect for traditional values with the need for informed consent and personal choice is an ongoing challenge for many Hindu families. Conclusion. In Hindu culture, the family plays a central and multifaceted role in healthcare decisions, deeply influencing how health challenges are faced, managed, and understood. This role reflects broader cultural values of collectivism, duty, and holistic well-being. As Hindu communities continue to engage with modern healthcare systems, the integration of family in healthcare decisions remains a vital aspect of ensuring care that is respectful, compassionate, and aligned with the patient's values and beliefs.